Hope everyone had a great weekend. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I don't have any good news this week, right? Now it's a holiday week, so we have light volume. All right. So can't express this enough. We need to trade lightly this week. All right. So as I go through the markets, guys, pay attention to the light volume. Okay. So we should be trimming positions this week unless your trades are holding firm. All right. We do have data coming out. It's at the end of the week. All right. Hopefully, end of the week, we should start seeing volatility volume pick up. All right, into next week. But just be careful trading. Usually holiday weeks, guys, things slow up a bit because traders are out on vacation. So keep that in mind as we go through the markets this evening. All right, keep that in mind. All right, welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go through the charts. All right. All right. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty. Welcome. All right, guys. Now we all know that we do have sell signals in the equity markets. All right. So we should not be long stocks unless your stocks are firmly, all right, in its trend. We should not be long equities. Okay. So we did have some selling on the Dow. So if you guys look right here on the Dow on when was it? On Friday, we had some selling. The Dow was down 333 points. Remember, we called the sell signals. Okay. On the Dow. On the NASDAQ was down also 298. S&P was down. The Russell was down. And the VIX was up. All right. So we need the VIX to stay down. Right. We want low volatility. It's been creeping up. All right. So just be aware of that. Again, sell signals on the S&P. All right. So we have red candles here, all right, sell signal right here on the S&P. So remember, large cap stocks, guys, large caps, big micro cap stocks will follow the S&P. So the S&P has a sell signal. Always remember, when we trade stocks, we pay attention to the indexes, then the sector, all right? We look at the VIX for volatility and then the stocks. On the Dow, we do have sell signals on the Dow right here, red candles on the Dow. All right, the NASDAQ is holding firm. So the NASDAQ or QQQ still holding firm, all green candles there. Those are large caps also. The IWM, the Russell, let's take a look. The Russell small caps also have a sell signal here. Red candle, sell signal there. And the VIX is at 1595. That is still low, but it is bouncing off the bottom here. Very low was 1262. All right. When that selling came in, we did bounce up all the way up to 28 on the VIX, but we're at 1595. So just be careful, guys. Bottom line, we have sell signals on the equity market. So our stock boss traders, our bull master traders, okay, bull master pro traders, if you're in solid positions, that's fine, but keep an eye on those trades, okay? Most of the sectors are down, right? So materials are down, energy is down, home builders, biotech, all right, consumer staples, utilities, healthcare, transportation, all of these are down. We have a few that are up. We have 4, all right, sectors that are up, but even with those, be careful. All right, be careful, guys. All right, can't stress this enough. Big picture, let's go through the markets. We're going to take a look at big picture. Now, big picture, they're still holding, all right? The markets are still holding, some of them still holding on big picture, big macro. All right, so the Dow, guys, right here, the Dow, the weekly time frame, the buy signal came in all the way right here. Now, every candle is a week's worth of data. All right, so buy signal here, a bit of a pullback all the way down to its moving average right here to its trend line, and it's holding. All right, remember, we've gone through that Christmas rally, which started in October. Okay, So we no surprise, right? We've been anticipating, expecting this pullback out of the Christmas rally into the first quarter. All right. So expect some selling, guys. Expect some selling. If buyers come in, all right, we'll know. It'll be a nice surprise. Okay. All right. So buy signal here, weekly time frame on the Dow. Again, a bit of a pullback. Hopefully it holds this trend line here, moving average this week. All right. And into next week. Dow on the monthly time frame, all right, was near all-time highs, pull back a bit right here in the monthly time frame. Every candle is a month worth of data. All right. On the S&P, same thing. Buy signal here, holding that trend line. All right. So in order for the S&P to move higher, we need to hold the trend line and keep moving higher. All right. Hey, Nancy, welcome. Nancy, welcome. All right. All right. On the S&P monthly time frame, all right, buy signal here, holding near its all-time highs on the S&P. So monthly time frame, guys, on the S&P and on the Dow looks good. All right, for now. All right, so no selling, all green candles, higher highs, higher lows. Okay. All right, so those are large caps on the NASDAQ. All right, also large caps, NASDAQ. Buy signal here, all green candles here. All right, near its all-time high, still holding, and a bit of that moving average. Okay, looks good there. NASDAQ on the monthly time frame, same thing. Here's your trend line, buy signal here on the monthly. Doesn't mean we would have traded it on the monthly, guys. We're just looking to figure out the overall trend using the monthly time frame. All right, good price action near its all-time high on the NASDAQ. That's good for large cap stocks. Now the Russell, the IWM, the Russell, small caps, that's a bit of concern here. Okay, we've got some concern here with the Russell. You guys notice we have tough resistance here on the weekly time frame. All right, very big resistance right here. All right, this is where sellers came in before, pushed the price back down. Remember, this Russell IWM represents small caps. Okay, so made a big push. Now this resistance goes all the way back to 2021 right here. Okay, I know it's hard to see with my face there, but 2021 right here. This is 2022, 2023, and here we are end of 2024. So this is a big resistance. So traders are really watching this area here. All right, notice that your small cap stocks haven't been doing well, right? A few have, but overall that market has been under some pressure. All right, made a big push higher end of 2021. You guys can see that those candles here getting above resistance. All right, and same thing here, right? Made a big push above resistance. This is current. All right, current couple of months here. And guess what? Now we are trading below resistance. That's not good for the Russell. Okay, that's not good for small caps. All right, we'll need the Russell to hold this week into next week. Otherwise, if sellers come in, guys, we could see sellers come in just like they did here. This is almost identical. See right here, white candle here, right? So traders are watching these levels. If we break through that that trend line right here, we could see sellers come in quickly, close that buy signal, which is here. All of a sudden, we could be heading lower. All right, so risky time right now for the market. Just be aware. Just be aware. Just be aware. All right, if we get buyers, which could happen, buyers could come back in, break through that resistance, test the high here again. We'll know that. Okay, same thing on the monthly time frame right here. Russell monthly time frame right here. All right, big resistance here on the monthly, broke through resistance last month, big buy signal here, and now again we're trading below that resistance level. So watch your support and resistance levels. Okay, the VIX, we talked about the VIX. Not bad on the VIX, 1595, so low volatility, but we are trending higher on the VIX. We need low volatility for equities. Your Magnificent 7 stocks, guys, and we need these Mag 7 stocks to hold, especially for the S&P and for the NASDAQ. Okay. Right, the Mag 7 has been holding up the S&P and the NASDAQ. So let's see how they're doing. All right, Meta, Facebook. All right, consolidating buy signal is here. Red candle, so sell signal. No, we're trading right at that resistance level there. Meta, Facebook, nothing there. Sell signal, so we should be out of that on the daily time frame. Amazon. All right, Amazon is doing fairly well. All right, buy signal came in, guys, at 190, trading at 220.23. All right, we're looking to break through that resistance here. All right, so resistance is right at 231. All green candles, nothing to do. If you're in it, just hold on tight on the daily time frame. Hopefully we get a break through this resistance here. A decent price action. Not great, but fairly decent. Okay, Google right here, guys. Buy signal here. Sellers came in, red candles. A bit choppy in here, and we're trading right here. That buy signal, original buy signal, came in at 168. Sellers came in, buyers came back in. I think we called it right here on that break of resistance. For it to move higher, we need to break through near-term resistance right here on Google, right here. Apple. Not bad, guys. Not bad for Apple. Buy signal came in right here on a break of resistance. That resistance was right at, what's that? 232, 233. Buy signal came in here by our system, and now it closed at 255. What's nice about Apple is that we've got nice candles here, lower highs, lower lows, and no resistance on the daily time frame. All right, let's take a quick look at the weekly on Apple here. Let's see. Weekly time frame on Apple here. Oh, weekly looks good. Look at that, guys. Weekly looks good on Apple. I'm going to make a note here. We might start doing some short videos on Apple, start trading Apple, probably the smaller time frame. Okay. Let's see here. On the monthly time frame, let's take a look at Apple. Apple on the monthly time frame, definitely moving higher. The buy signal on the monthly, guys, look here. All right. Hey, Coy. Welcome, Coy. Welcome. On the monthly time frame, buy signal, guys, on Apple, $59, trading at $255. All right. Not that we would have gotten in on the monthly. That's all the way back in 2019, but it is moving higher. Definitely, Apple is moving. Let's take a look at the 60-minute. All right, so those of you looking for an opportunity on Apple, guys, I would wait for a buy signal on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. All right, so let's go back to the daily. But Apple looks really good. Actually, it looks like it's trading better than Tesla, huh? All right. So put it back on the daily time frame here. All right. Microsoft. So these are the Magnificent 7, guys. So Microsoft, nothing here, guys. All right. So it's trading within a tight range of support and resistance. So if you look here, that's the range. So it's trading right between 442 and 404. We'll call it 400. So nothing here. Buy signal was here. All right, a bit of a pullback, trading below resistance, trading in a tight range. See what the traders are doing? They're holding right between resistance, right between support here. All right, so they're trading it right between support and resistance. So just be aware of that, okay? That's Microsoft. NVDA, which has been the darling, right, of the equity markets, nothing here. We have a sell signal. Our last buy signal on the daily came in right here, guys, at 132, trading at 137. all right, failed to break above resistance here. All right, so since October, this is disappointing, very disappointing for NVIDIA, guys. So didn't catch any of the Christmas rally, didn't catch any of the fourth quarter rally, okay? So buy signal was here, hasn't done anything. All right, sell signal here, just right now range bound. Okay, so nothing here. We'll need a catalyst to break through. But again, if sellers come in heavy, we do have sell signals on the equity markets. All right, that would be a concern. If sellers come in, NVIDIA could move much lower because it's not strong right now. Okay, all right, let's take a look at the trend line. Let's see what we've got here. Very disappointing with NVIDIA since after the 10-to-1 split hasn't done much. Okay, so this area here of support is a concern. We are making lower highs right here, right? Lower highs, right? Lower highs, lower lows. This area of support here is a concern. If it breaks through the support, if sellers come in heavy, I believe what we said, $100 is where we've got big support. So we got big support right here. Yep, $100. Right here, $100, guys. If it breaks through that trend line, net-term support is right here. Okay? If it breaks through that support, sellers come in heavy, next area of support is $100. Okay? However, if we get lucky, buyers come in, okay, we break through that resistance, we could move higher. But based on the sell signal in the equity markets, all right, we'll see. Okay, we do have purpose support and resistance, so we're making we're overbought. So just remember, purpose support and resistance here and here, overbought, and we are making lower highs, lower lows. Okay, so that's it for the Mag 7s. So Tesla, we've done really well trading Tesla, all right? And we'll look to see Apple. We'll look to add Apple, okay? All right. Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin, keep an eye on Bitcoin on the daily time frame. All right. Now, Bitcoin, we can use Bitcoin as, you guys know this, as a barometer for the entire crypto market. So as Bitcoin continues to move lower, right, your other cryptocurrencies will move lower as well. Okay, so Bitcoin on the daily time frame, guys, buy signal came in at 65,000. All right, most recent buy signal on the daily time frame, 65,000. We were forced to get out here on this red candle, got back in on a break of this resistance right at 69,000-70,000 right here. Currently, Bitcoin is at 93,000. Now, Bitcoin did make a high all the way to 107,000. The concern right now with Bitcoin, let's move this. The concern right now is this to hold support here. All right, so our cryptocurrency traders, even if you don't trade Bitcoin, all right, even if you trade the other cryptocurrencies, right, they will follow Bitcoin's lead. So Bitcoin's price action, right, they will follow that price action. Okay, so good trade though. Buy signal here, entered about right here on a break of resistance. See, big resistance here. Here, and here. All right, holding, trying to hold support. Notice, all right, the last several days been coming lower. Lower highs, lower lows. Okay, it's not what we want, it's what the price action is doing. We need to hold support here. All right, Bitcoin will follow the equity market. So as the equity markets come down, all right, so as the equity markets come down, Bitcoin will come down also with the equity markets, in particular the S&P. So it really needs to hold support here. If it doesn't hold support, we've got white candles coming in. If we get red candles, just like we did here, guys, the next support level is our previous resistance. All right, so if the next support level is our previous resistance, which is all the way down here. Okay, so if it breaks through, no guarantee. I'm not saying that it will, all right? But if sellers come in heavy, break through, next target is all the way down here, 70,000 on Bitcoin. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on Bitcoin this week and into the new year. Okay, But that's not good so far. That's a big move lower from 107,000 guys to 93,000. That's a big deal. Those traders that bought in near the high, now they're panicking. Okay, so if it breaks to that support, they might really start closing their positions, which will push the price even lower. On the weekly time frame on Bitcoin, all right, so Bitcoin gapped up right here on the weekly time frame, holding here, but still, it's been coming down every week since then. All right, made a high here last, what's that? 2 weeks ago, last week, and now current week right here. Okay, the dollar index, guys, frustrating. The dollar index has been frustrating. All right, not bad price action on the daily time frame. Look at the daily time frame. Buy signal here, good markdown phase, good markup phase. Buy signal, a bit choppy in here, but overall not a bad price action, right? Not bad price action here. All right, but our pairs, dollar pairs, have been funky. Okay. All right, but we still need to break out. So we're finally breaking out of a big range. All right, on the dollar index, weekly time frame. So good support here going back all the way to 2023. Guys, we have some big areas of support and resistance in these markets, okay? Something will happen here. We're either going to break through, all right, break through and move higher, or come on back down, okay? Good support here. Again, going back all the way to 2023, 23, 24 here. Right here, and here. So notice where the buyers are holding support. Buyers are holding support. Buy signal here, and we finally breaking resistance. Last time we got to this area here, right? Buyers failed, came back down. Hopefully this one will hold, and we move higher here. All right, but our Forex traders, bull master traders, monster scalper traders, just be aware of that. Okay. All right. Pound yen. All right. Hold on. All right. Pound yen on the monthly time frame. I don't have any data here. Hold on. GBP, GBPY. All right, so pound yen, that's on the weekly. Let's take a look at hold on. All right, so pound yen, guys, on the weekly time frame. Pound yen weekly time frame, we are moving higher. All right, we are moving higher. We do have positions on the 240. We'll take a look at those positions. 60 minutes, stay away. All right, so our bull mass, monster scalper traders. All right, our Forex dominator traders, we should be fine. But on the 60-minute, be aware. Okay, so we are moving higher. We got higher lows. So we made a low here, higher low. Higher low, higher low, green candles. We need to keep moving higher. Pound yen on the weekly time frame. That should help, right? The yen pairs. All right. Big picture on pound yen monthly time frame, guys. We have big resistance here. Here, and here we are. Monthly time frame. Every candle is a month worth of data. The last time, now these are big macro, guys, so we have to pay attention to the bigger macro moves. This will help us find our trades as we bring down those time frames, okay? All right, so pound yen, guys, on the monthly time frame. I know we have new folks here. All right, I know this could be overwhelming. All right, so just keep coming. Right, you guys will get this. Big support down here. All right, right here, big support down here. Resistance is here. This resistance was back in 2017, guys, right here. Here we are, current time, current month, this month, looking to break through that resistance here. Okay, this is a big deal. If we can break resistance, right, that will help us with our current trades. on the 240. Yen, the Japanese yen, the raw yen in the futures market looking to break support here. If it breaks support here, all right, pound yen will move higher, yen pairs will move higher, okay? So we can use the yen as a barometer for the yen pairs. Bonds, guys, are breaking lower. This is not good, all right? So for interest rates, this is not good, especially for housing. Interest rates for housing, this is not good. We were hoping that bonds, this is the long-term TLT, right, would hold support here, right? Buyers, it did held support here. Buyers were coming back in, but guess what, guys? That failed. All right, no, we're not trading this. We're just using it as a barometer for the markets, okay? So just know long-term 10-year bonds moving lower here, not good. Gold is holding right here at, not support. Support is right here. It is holding the trend line, trading at 2,600. We would like to see gold keep moving higher. Those of you who trade in gold in the futures market, okay, just be careful because right now, guys, we have no movement, okay? No movement in gold. Even if you trade on a smaller time frame, be careful, all right? These big candles here is when we had good volatility. Now, guess what? Last couple of weeks, not a lot, okay? So just be careful with gold. It looks good, though, to continue to move higher. Silver has broken down, okay? So silver is now trading below resistance, all right, right here. This is where sellers came in before on the weekly time frame. So right here, we'll count this, even here, and then here we are now. So keep an eye on that. Crude oil, nothing. Crude oil, guys, in a long, tight consolidation, right? So I have no idea what crude oil traders are doing, all right? If you've been trading crude oil, it's been extremely difficult, okay? So the street hasn't been talking about crude oil, nothing on crude oil, because it's been a tight consolidation since 2023, guys, all right? So late 2022 into 23, all right? Resistance is here, all right? Always pay attention to that, all right? Support is here. Range bound, nothing to do here. Look how tight that range is right here, guys. Nothing to do there, okay? All right. I know this is a lot of information, but it's Sunday. We've got to go through a big picture, especially how these markets are performing right now. Okay, our Forex traders, monster scalpers traders, Forex dominator traders, just be aware, monster Forex tracker, not a lot of movement. So we're consolidating, guys, on the 60-minute. Be cautious. All right, be careful on the 60-minute time frames. You guys should have noticed we haven't sent out any signals on the 60-minute time frame for a while. Okay, be very, very careful. All right, on the 240, unless you're solid in trades, okay, and those trades are holding. All right, our monster scalper traders, be careful there. All right. We do have good volatility on the daily time frame with Forex dominated. Those trades should be holding. But guys, be very careful. We have no direction. Look here. No direction on the 60-minute time frame. No direction here on the 240. All right. On the daily, right? The yen pairs are still holding here on the daily. Dollar pairs are still holding on the daily. That's about it. All right, everything else, complete mess, no direction, okay? So just be careful, guys, all right? Now, that's to be expected, all right? We've had some holidays, Christmas, New Year's here, coming here. So traders are not trading, right? They're not at their desk, okay? So this is what happened, and we don't have a lot of data. This is what happens, right? We've had that run. That's why we've been saying, hey, trade these markets when they're moving, all right? Right, October, November, right? We should have been in those trades, now getting out, taking those profits, getting ready for the next run, okay? All right, so Forex, not much here. All right, let's go through current positions Current alerts. So no alerts, guys, on the 60 in Monster Scalper. All right, long, no alerts. Short on the 60. No alerts short on the 240. All right, in Monster Scalper. And no alerts short in Forex Dominator. So we don't have any shorts currently. Okay, let's go through the trades we do have. All right, so we do have some long positions. Let's see how they're doing. In Monster Scalper Forex on the 240. Okay, so let's go through these. SGD JPY. All right, so SGD JPY, good markdown phase, guys. Couple of trades. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. And we're trading right at that resistance. All right, we need to break through. All right, break through. Get past sellers here. Break through that resistance and move higher. Okay, so not bad. Good markdown phase. A bit choppy, but decent trades moving higher on the 240. Okay, so we're looking to break through. All right, SGD JPY. Euro Yen. All right, Euro Yen, same thing. Good markdown phase, guys. Resistance is here. Just remember, sellers are sitting here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. Looking to break through here. Big candle here. All right, so, and again, as pound yen right here continues to move higher, this will help. All right. As it moves higher here on the weekly pound yen and on the monthly, this will help our yen trades here on the 240. Okay, pound yen buy signal here, markdown phase, markdown accumulation, buy signal here, moving up nicely. If you guys got in here, if you've scaled up, you want to take some profits, absolutely. All right. But the goal is we're looking to break through resistance here, get past sellers and continue this trade. So far right now, guys, that buy signal came in at 199, trading at 198, almost 600 pips there. Okay. On the pound yen, we're looking good price action. We've got higher. See here, higher lows currently right here. Higher highs, higher lows, all green candle need to break through resistance here. All right, so pound yen looks good. 600 pips, we need to break through, move higher. All right, Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen here, very choppy, markdown phase. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. All right, we got some green candles here, but we need to hold support here. We need a bounce. Definitely need a bounce on Swiss yen. Keep an eye on it. All right, it needs to hold support here. Buyers need to come on back in. Near-term resistance is here, and it needs to break through here. Okay, so Swiss yen, definitely keep an eye on Swiss yen. Okay. All right, HKD JPY, your Hong Kong yen. And we have some new traders on this trade right here. We're looking to break through. Now, the first trade did really well. Markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal here on a break of resistance. Closed here. Sellers came in, broke support, red candles, sell signals, white arrow here to sell. So we bought here, sold here for quite a few pips there. Almost, what's that, 550 pips there. We have a new buy signal on a break of this resistance here. All right, so we have a new buy signal right here. All right, so all green candles, and it's just holding here. Again, markets soft this week, so just be careful, all right? So if it gives a sell signal, close it. Otherwise, we're looking to break through, move higher. HKD JPY. The last one here, TRY JPY, all right? Buy signal here. First trade did really well, guys. So markdown phase, buy signal here, closed here. We were looking for another trade. We got a buy signal here, and now it's just holding here, consolidating, nothing to do. We'll close that trade. So TRY JPY, let's close that trade. And TRY, that's your Turkish pair, is a funky pair to trade. So we'll just close that. Okay. All right. Forex Dominator, perhaps our best trading time frame for Forex. And that's a surprise. That came out of nowhere. All year, it wasn't trading well. But the dollar pairs, it's doing fine. Okay, so let's take a look at those. So Forex dominator on a daily time frame. Let's bring this here. And we're doing good on time, guys. So USD, USD HUF, so the dollar pairs. USD HUF, good trades here, guys, on the daily time frame in Forex dominator. Okay, so buy signal here in the middle of the range, broke out, right? Look at this. What a beautiful trade, huh? Got past resistance here. This is where sellers came in heavy before. Here, 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 and here. Buy signal is here. All right. Buy signal is here on the break of this resistance, broke through bigger resistance right here, and trading nicely here. So buy signal here, trading all the way up here. USD HUF, good trade going here. USD CNH, another good trade. Okay. So buy signal here, trading here. All right, we need to get past resistance. Buy signal here, all green candles. Yellow support and resistance. That's good. We do need to get past current resistance right here. Good trade here. All right. USD DKK. Also another good trade. All right. Got out of the range. This is a range bound trade. All right. But these are big macro trades. Okay. All right. So buy signal here, guys, all the way here, all green candles, lots of pips here, and we're moving higher. We've gotten past resistance here, breaking out of the range. That's good. USD, DKK, dollar Swiss. All right, here's your range, and we are breaking out, trying to. All right, not quite yet. Okay, so you see your range here. All right, support, resistance. Right, resistance, support. Here we are, buy signal here, all the way here. We need to break through next resistance all the way up here. That's Swiss. USDN, okay, we are breaking out of that resistance. Now I know most of you will not take these trades on the daily time frame. All right, there's a big time frame to trade on. Every candle is a day's worth of data. But I always tell traders, hey, park a little bit of capital when you're trading our smaller time frames. Okay. All right. Resistance here, big resistance here. All right. So we always need to know where sellers are sitting. Sellers are sitting here. Okay. Here, here, and here. Here we are. Buy signal here, and we are breaking. We got it getting past sellers here. So we're new buying territory. That's good. We hopefully see buyers continue to get in and move higher. All right, USDS SGD. That's your Singapore dollar. Really good markdown phase, guys. Markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal, all green candles, moving up nicely here. Tons of pips. Next target, right? It's gotten through its first target here. Next target, we need to break through that resistance right here. USD SGD. Last one, CAD. All right, so dollar CAD, guys, good trade going here. Here is your range, support and resistance. All right, so right about here. All right, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Last time, this one failed here. This one failed here. This time, guess what? All right. Turned out really nice, broke resistance, and is still holding. Great trade here. All green candles. Look at this. Beautiful trade on the daily time frame. Okay. Since October, what? October, let's see. That buy signal came in October the 10th, guys, and it's been holding ever since. Okay. This is an area, if you were in this trade, you could add to your position here on a break of resistance here, scaled up here, add here, and look to scale up here. Okay, so dollar CAD, good trade going there. Okay, I think I missed one. SEK, USD SEK. All right, holding here, right at resistance right here. Buy signal here, holding firm. We need buyers to come on in. Now, guys, if you traded this Now, we don't have a lot of traders trading Forex dominator, but if you traded it and you got in here, this is an area where you could take some profits, because we know, right, this is an area where sellers came in before and it is struggling to move higher there. Okay, so don't be afraid to take some profits off the table. All right. All right. So just, you guys can see we are light, very light in Forex. Okay. And that's because of what the market is doing. Not a lot of opportunities right now. Okay, no shorts. All right. Now, if you find, I know we have traders, experienced traders. You're trading on a smaller time frame. You're doing your own thing. Okay, so just trade independently. Okay, so just trade what you can. All right. We don't have a rotation, so just be careful out there. Okay. All right. Equities. Let's go through equities. So the markets will be open again tomorrow. I will probably get a half day. When is Christmas Eve? Christmas Eve. So Christmas Eve. I can't even keep track of the holidays anymore. So Christmas Eve, just know normally there's a half day, right? So markets will close around 1 p.m. On New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve, markets will close early. So just be aware of that. New Year's Day, the market is generally closed, okay? So just be aware of that. But we should be light, all right? We've trimmed a lot of positions. So, okay, just remember we have sell signals, all right? So sell signals on the S&P, all right? On the Dow, on the Russell, NASDAQ is holding, but we've got 3 sell signals. Indexes are down, okay? So we are out of equities. All right, so be aware of that as we go through these current positions in equities. Okay, so we should be light. All right, so stock boss, guys, so small caps, that's the Russell. We'll go through this quickly. So SUPV is holding firm. So buy signal here, holding. If we see a red candle or white candle, red candle, or white arrow, guys, we'll call a sell signal, white arrow like this. Green candles will continue to hold the alerts. Okay, so we're gonna hold this here. AUPH holding, good trade here, guys. That buy signal came in at 609, trading at 920, holding here. This one here, all right, right at $9, trading at 15 and change, holding here. Okay. All right, VUZI holding firm. Buy signal, guys, came in on a break of resistance. Great trade. Perhaps this is one of the best trades. There's another one that's really good. Remember, these are small caps, okay? So buy signal was here on a break of resistance at $1.50, trading at $5.25. Nothing to do here. Let it run. All right, VUZI. All right, GBTG holding. PLBY, guys, white candle here will close it. So buy signal came in right at about 80 cents, right? Closed on Friday at $1.50, $1.50. White candle, close the trade, please. Sellers can come in heavy just like they did here, okay? All right, don't try to be a hero with these, not now. All right, that's holding firm there. All right, MVST. All right, buy signal was right over here on the break of resistance. Now, guys, you remember we had a lot more stocks, but we need to trim positions. Buy signal was right at, remember, these are small caps, so cheaper, less expensive stocks. 46 cents, trading at 246, not bad there. All green candles, so buyers are holding. We'll hold on to that. All right. PRCH broke resistance here, descent markdown phase. Our buy signal came in right here on a break of resistance right here, holding firm so far. Descent trade here, and perhaps the best trade here in Stock Boss. Buy signal came in all the way here. Perfect trade came in right at the buying season in October and still holding. So the buy signal came in right around $1.97, $1 right here, trading at $17, guys. Isn't that amazing? All right, so was that 1,700%? Great trade going here. Nothing to do. If you're in it, just let it run, okay? All right, so that's stock boss, small caps. Remember, all right, the Russell, the IWM having trouble getting past resistance, so just be aware of that on these small cap stocks. Bull Master, which is large cap stocks here. Let's take a look. All right, that's holding there. Holding or green candle is what we need to see, guys. Holding firm CRK. All right, YPF holding. SLM, guys, buy signal here. If the market is up tomorrow, okay, we could see we break through that resistance. That might be an area, if you're in it already down here at that buy signal, an area to scale up, okay? All right, holding, good trade here. EAT, guys, buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Holding firm, really good price action. Look at that. Price is just hugging that trend line here. Good price action. Purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on that. GameStop finally breaking out, guys. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely there. Okay. Holding here. Oh, good price action in bull market. Now, just remember, guys, we've trimmed out all the positions in bull master already, so these positions should do well. Okay, so buy signal here, very funky chart here. Lots of gap up, gap down. Buy signal here, sell signal, we should be out. ESTC, close that alert, please. EXTR, buy signal here. What was that? At right around 16 and change. White candle came in on a break of support here. Close the trade, please. EXTR. All right, trim positions. Did we do CLS? All right, CLS is holding firm. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on those. Overbought, they're getting overbought. Okay. All right. Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. Okay, so guys, we're trimming positions. Bull Master Pro. Now, the reason we do this, these trades are closing, but also if the market really starts selling off, then we're not loaded up, right? You're not heavy in the markets, you're light. And you can wait as these markets go through their markdown phases, we can wait for the next buy-in time, okay? All right. So Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. Tesla holding firm. Buy signal was here, guys, on Tesla at 266, trading at 431. Holding firm on the daily time frame. Okay, we've been sending out alerts on the 60-minute time frame and the 30-minute and even the 5-minute for some day trading opportunities. But right now, all right, there's no trading on the 60-minute. We are watching the 60-minute. We were watching it for a break above resistance that never came. Okay, so either this resistance here for a buy signal and the second resistance area here for a buy signal. That never happened. This was after this really nice trade here. All right, this is on the 60-minute time frame. So bought here, sold here. We were waiting for buyers to come back in, but guess what? We've got sellers. Okay, so on the 60-minute time frame, right, we need to tomorrow into the week, we need buyers to come on back in, hold support here on the 60-minute time frame, not the daily. On the 60-minute time frame, we need to hold support, buyers to come on back in, test resistance here, break through, give us another buy signal. If we break support here, that is not good. If we break support here on Tesla, next support area is, I would say, right at Let's bring it down here. Next support, real support areas where we had the previous buy signal on the 60-minute. Just remember, this is the 60 now, not the daily. All right, so if it breaks support here, we could see Tesla move all the way back down to 360 on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, right here is support at 417. So right about here, 417. All right, so Tesla's made a big move higher, guys. All right, that's a big move for Tesla. So keep an eye on it. Okay. All righty. SLM, that's holding. We talked about this one. Amazon is holding firm. All right, really good price on Amazon here. And LRN holding firm right now. Okay. Our US 30 traders, no trading right now. Unless you're trading, I know a lot of you trade on you day traded smaller time frame. Our US 30 traders, just be careful. Okay. All right. So the US 30 right here, guys, we're consolidating. All right. We're in a tight range. So if you look here, all right, you look here. Now, ideally, what we would like to see on the 60-minute time frame, break through that resistance, give another buy signal. All right, these last two buy signals really didn't pan out. Okay, so this one failed here, and then this one, small profit here. Guys, nothing to do. We gotta get out of this area here. Okay, sellers are on the daily. We are down on the daily, on the US 30. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, just be aware of that. Okay, sellers are here on the daily. All right, be careful going long. All right, if we break through here on the upside, right, this will hopefully recapture that moving average there. Okay, but again, we could see sellers continue to push the price lower here. So just hold up for right now. On the short side, we do have a short signal here on the 60-minute, but just be careful right now. Okay, NAS 100. All right, same thing here. All right, so NAS 100 sell signal here. That's your buy. Again, stuck between resistance. Count this here too now. Resistance all the way here. Support. Right. Now we do have some buyers here on the daily time frame. Just be careful with those E-minis. Okay. All right, S&P E-mini, same thing. Just be careful, guys. All right. All right. Monster Scalper. Well, let's do this. Let's take a look at Stock Boss. Let's run Heat Seeker. Just to see. All right. 62 stocks. That's not bad. Bullmaster. All right, 47, guys, you know that's nothing for Bullmaster, right? We tracked 22,000 stocks, 47 in Bullmaster. That is absolutely nothing. So we know that they're not buying. All right, so the institutions are not buying stocks. They're not buying large cap stocks right now. So just be aware of that. Okay, Monster Scalper, let's go through these quickly. And then we're perfect, right on time. Okay. On the 60-minute time frames, our Monster Scalper traders, all right, we have a lot of Monster Scalper traders, all right, with us. Okay, on the 60-minute time frame, guys, okay, be careful. Okay, I'm going to go through these, and you guys will see the price action, right, on the 60-minute time frame. There, we don't have any trades. Okay, so we just have to hold, be patient. Okay, those trades will come in. But right now, and you guys know Forex will change quickly, okay? So right now, we have no direction. Look here. All right, we have absolutely no direction in the pairs. All right, so Aussie pairs, no direction. All right, some direction in the Kiwi pairs. Yen pairs, no direction. All right, up, down, neutral. All right, dollar pairs, no direction. Euro pairs, no direction. All right, Pound pairs, we have some direction, but the charts are horrible. Okay, so let's go through these. I just want you guys to see the price action. All right, most of these are consolidating here. All right, so let's go through these quickly here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right, so Aussie and Kiwi pairs, nothing, okay? All right, pay attention to the price action. The yen pairs on the 60 minute right here, okay? Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. So notice we haven't been sending out any alerts, okay? Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Pound yen on the 60. All right, we'll call pound yen on the 60, okay? Now we are looking for a bigger move in pound yen. So let's see here. Now it is still choppy, pound yen, but it is breaking out. So buy signal is here. All right, this is an area of concern. Right here, right here. Here we are, buy signal, and we are breaking out. We are in the markup phase. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Choppy, but hopefully this will break out. So pound yen, GBP, JPY, long on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so look here, all right? Buy signal is right here, blue arrow right here, and we are breaking out of that resistance there. Okay, so this is not too bad, and long markup phase, a bit choppy, but let's see how this does. Okay, so pound yen, we'll call that one. Euro yen, nothing. Nothing. CAD yen, nothing there. Aussie yen, nothing there. Okay. And remember, no data, guys, no news, right? Watch your Forex factory. No news coming out until Thursday, okay? No data. Nothing here. Nothing. That's so disappointing with these dollar pairs, guys. So disappointing. The dollar index is moving up nicely, and these dollar pairs are just on the 60-minute, just absolutely nothing there. We had a previous good trade on the, let's see here. Which one was it? Yeah, previous, look at this one. USD HUF, that was a good trade. Bought here, sold here, but look, since then, guys, nothing. Very disappointing in the dollar pairs on the 60-minute. Nothing here. Nothing. Nothing. Just want to show you guys. That's the reality of what Forex is doing right now, okay? All right, Euro pairs, nothing. Horrible, look at this, horrible charts, horrible price action, okay? You trade this, guess what? Nothing will happen here, all right? You're just giving capital to the markets there, all right? Nothing here. All right. Nothing here. Nothing here. But again, this Forex will turn quickly, so if it does, we'll let you know. Nothing here. So euro pairs and then pound pairs. Decent trading here, no buy signal. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, so you guys see nothing here. On the 240, still holding the yen pairs. Want to take a quick look at the 240. Make sure we're not missing anything. I don't think we are, though. Yen pairs on the 240. Guys, keep an eye on dollar yen on the 240. Okay, on the 240. It's getting ready to break resistance here. You could get another buy signal. Okay, and previous trade did really well. So bought here, sold here. If it breaks through that resistance, you'll get another buy signal by your system. So dollar, yen, keep an eye. So you can make a note, USD JPY, and just put a question mark for that right now. You just need a buy signal there, okay? All right, SGD, we're in that already. Nothing here. HKD, we have new traders trading this. Good job, hold on. Pound yen, we're in that already. Euro yen, we're in that already. Swiss yen, we call that already. CAD yen, keep an eye on CAD yen also. All right, it's in the markup phase. Just needs to break resistance. We on time, guys? All right, one more minute. 2 more minutes. All right, hold on. Okay, markdown phase, markup. All right, we need to break resistance here. All right, so CAD yen, you get a buy signal here. That will be an opportunity there. And the yen pairs, that's about the best. Yen pairs, dollar pairs, which has been the theme. That's about it. Okay. All right. Aussie, nothing here. All right, guys. So I am done. Okay. So light week. Okay. Light volatility, light volume in all of the markets. So just be careful. Okay. Our stock boss traders, Bullmaster traders, even our Bullmaster Pro traders, I know we've slimmed positions quite a bit. Just be careful with that market. Forex, your 240, that's perhaps the best performing time frame, all right, in Forex. The 240, the daily, obviously the daily. I know we don't have a lot of traders on the daily, but the 240. Be very careful on the 60-minute time frame. We only found one opportunity, guys. Pound yen on the 60. That's not common. Okay, normally we can find some opportunities. But remember, it's a holiday, right? Traders have made a lot of money already. All right, so they're out for the holidays. When they come back in for the new year, okay, we could see some. So next week, just plan on next week. We should have more data coming in. Traders will be back to work. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. The new traders, thanks for coming, guys. I know this is advanced. Okay, but you keep coming. This is how you learn to figure this thing out. All right. Learn the markets. Okay. Take care, guys. See everyone on Tuesday. Okay. Take care.